Hello friends, welcome to my new video vlog. Today I am showing to you AC water leakage. First, your AC power off. This is for our safety. And then remove the screw and filter. First, holding the front cover and pull out the AC filter. Same like this. Remove the filter one by one and screw remove. Remove the flap. Same like this. Just a little push and pull. Then screw remove. Screw cover may be same like. First remove the cover and remove the screw. You can see the drainage tray is too much dirty. First you check the where is the drainage line, right side or left side. You can see the hole and put the small same like wire cable or small pipe. You put the pipe, small pipe, and blow the drainage. You can see the same like jelly or dirty in drainage tray. After check the water flow. Just add the little water flow. Okay, now going. Then after same like fix the AC cover. First fix the upside lock, then downside check. Then after screw fixing. Same like fix the old screw and cover. After AC on. If you have any doubt, please comment below the video. Okay friends, thank you.